Dennis with Warmup. Today I'm going to be opening some of our most popular products so that you can take a peek inside the packages before they arrive. Let's have a look. The DCM-PRO cable comes as a spool inside of a box. The first thing that you'll want to do upon receiving your package is confirm that the part on the side of the box matches the part on your packing slip. The cable comes in many different lengths and in 2 voltages, 120 or 240. Since the cable cannot be cut and it has to be wired for the proper voltage, you want to be sure you have the proper part before getting started. This product information card will tell you how much a cable size covers at different spacings. Once you can confirm that you have the right product for the job, the next step is to test the heater. Heater testing should be performed before, during, and after installation. The results should be recorded in the installation manual. You should also review the full manual as well as this quick tip card with do's and don'ts for installing. If you take pictures throughout the process, be sure to send them to us or tag us online. We'll be happy to reward you for a job well done with a cup of coffee. After you've confirmed you have the right product and you've tested it, the best thing to do is to familiarize yourself with the product. You'll notice first that there is a tag with the product information followed by a cold tail lead. The cold tail can be trimmed or extended based on your project situation. After the cold tail lead is the factory joint. The factory joint does need to be embedded in thinset, so be sure that it's laying flush on the floor before you pour thinset. Same is true for the product end cap. When you are installing, you will find a piece of white tape wrapped around the heating cable. This marker indicates that you are halfway through the spool of wire. You'll notice a sticker inside of your package as well. This has all of the product information on it. Be sure to store this sticker in a safe spot, perhaps inside of your electrical panel. For answers to technical questions about this product, visit our technical website, Warmupedia. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give it a like. And if you haven't already, I hope you'll subscribe to Warmup for more radiant heating content. If you still have questions or if you'd like to purchase the products you've seen, you can chat us anytime on our website or give us a call at 888-927-6333. And don't forget, subscribe now.